Hello everyone, I am Roshan Hanan. Today I am going to discuss about work, unit, work and energy. Work. What is work? Work is the process of energy transferred to the motion of an object via application of a force often represented as the product of force and displacement. A force is said to do positive work if the force has an component in the direction of the displacement of the point of application. A force does negative work if the force has a component opposite to the direction of the displacement at the point of application of the force. For example, when a ball is held above the ground and then dropped, the work done by the gravitational force on the ball as it falls in equal to the weight of ball multiplied by the distance to the ground, a displacement. Therefore, work transfer energy from one place to another or one from to another. Next, unit. The SI unit of work is the joule, which is defined as the work expended by a force of 1 Newton through a displacement of 1 meter. The dimensionally equivalent Newton's meter is sometimes used as the measuring unit of work, but this can be confused with the unit of Newton's meter, which is the measurement of torque. Usage of Newton's meter is discouraged by the SI authority since it can be led to confuse as the whether the quantity expressed in Newton's meter is directive measurement or a measurement of work. Non-SI unit of the work includes the Newton's meter, the foot pound, the kilowatt hours and liters atmosphere, and the horsepower hour. Due to work having the same physical dimension as heat, occasionally measurement unit typically reversed for heat or energy content, such as BTU and calorie, are utilized as the measuring unit. Next, work and energy. The work done by a constant force of magnitude on a point that moves a displacement in a straight line in the direction of the force is the product. The formula for it is displayed style work is equal to force by displacement. Force into displacement. Dis- The work done by a constant force of magnitude on a point that moves a displacement in a straight line in the direction of the force is the product. If a 10 force is equal to 10 Newton act along a point that travels 2 meter, displacement is equal to 2 meter, then work is equal to force into displacement. 10 Newton into 2 meter is equal to 10 joule, 20 joule. This is approximately the work done lifting a 1 kg object from ground level to over a person's head against the force of gravity. Work, the work is doubled either by lifting twice the weight the same distance or by lifting the same weight twice the distance. Work is closely related to energy. That work energy principle states that an increase in the kinetic energy of a regard body is caused by an equal amount of positive work done on the body by the resultant force acting on the body. A decrease in kinetic energy is caused by an equal amount of negative work done by the resultant force. From Newton's second law, it can be shown that work on a free field regains no internal decrease of freedom. Body is equal to change in kinetic energy. Kinetic energy Ke of the linear velocity and angular velocity of the body. The work of force generated by a potential function is known as potential energy, and the force are said to be conservative. Therefore, work on an object that is merely displaced in a conservative force field without changing in velocity or rotation is equal to minus the change of potential energy Pe of the object. Display style work is equal to delta Pe. Work The work energy principle of discussed here are identically of electrical work energical principle. Reference. Thank you. Hope you all understand. Have a nice day.